Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's see what is descriptive statistics. So descriptive statistics is basically used to summarize the features of our data into a single statement. That means it describes the quality of our data. There are three types. First is measure of central tendency, second measure of shape, and third measure of spread. So in this video, we'll see what is measures of central tendency and what are different statistical measures that come under central tendency. So central tendency represents how does the middle of our data looks like. It can be measured using three measures. First is mean, second is median, and third is mode. Let's see all of them one by one. So mean means average value of the data set. How does it computed? It is computed using a formula x bar is equal to summation of all the values of x upon n. So x bar here represents the mean. Summation of x represents the sum of all the elements in the data set and divided by n, which is n is the number of elements in the data set. So let's see an example. If I want to compute the mean of all these four persons who are working in an IT firm, so the salary of all these persons are $144,000, $155,000, $98,000, and $316,000. So if I want to calculate the sum of the mean of all these four persons, how can I say? I can represent x bar is equal to summation of x upon n. So we'll add all the four values 144,000, 155,000, $98,000, and $316,000. And I will divide it by 4 because there are four persons. So the average salary comes out to be $178,250. So this is how, if I mean I have to hire 100 new people in my IT company, so the average salary would be $178,250. The only shortcoming of mean is that it gets affected by the extreme values. Extreme values are also called as outliers. If you want to understand the concept of outliers, please refer to my previous video. Now let's say in this scenario, three persons are hired for $1,44,000, $1,55,000, and $3,16,000. But due to more experience in a particular field, a person has been hired for $10 lakh. Now, if I calculate the mean of all these four people, it will come out to be $4,03,750, which has been increased from $1,78,000 in the previous example. So, in this case, my mean is affected by this salary of the experienced person. So, in some cases, when we have outliers, we don't prefer to calculate mean as a measure of central tendency. So here comes the median. Median does not get affected by the outliers. Median represents the middle value of the dataset. To calculate the median, we need to first organize a dataset in ascending order and then we can calculate the middle value. In case we have even number of elements in a dataset, then we take the average of the two middle values. So let's see it with an example. Let's see I have a data with 5 elements 80, 85, 95, 83 and 92. Now this data is unorganized. I have to reorganize in order to find mean. So I will sort them in the ascending order. This is my ascending order with 80, 83, 87, 92 and 95. Now in this there are 5 elements, so the middle value is represented by 87. So in this case 87 is my mean. In case I have 6 values, then it will be computed by the middle of two values that are 87 and 92, which comes out to be 89.5. Let's say I have value 97 apart from 95. So let's see another example. In this, we can see that there are 5 elements, 5 children with weights 28, 30, 32, 38 and 40 kg. Now, if I want to find the middle value in this particular distribution, then the median for this particular value will be 32 kg as the middle element of the data set. So median represents the positional average and refers to the value of the distribution. So as I just told you, median is not affected by the extreme value or the outliers. Now in this case, if one person comes with a weight of 65 kgs instead of 40 kgs, again my median will remain the same. So in case of outliers, we prefer median as compared to mean. So the median of two middle numbers with the even numbers is If we have 6 children, 28, 30, 32, 34, 38 and 65 kgs, then we take the two middle elements, two children's weight, that is 32 plus 34 kgs divided by 2, that comes out to be 33. So in this case, the median will be 33 kg. Next measure of central tendency is mode. So mode represents the most frequently occurring element in a data set. So more the mode value, it will influence the mean. Let's see. Now in this particular data set, we have different animals with different weights. So the weight of first animal is 37 kg. The weights of next three consecutive animals is 32 kg and the last one has 30 kg weight. So in this case, 32 kg is the most frequently occurring weight in the entire data set. So mode of this data set will be 32. So we have three types of modes: unimodal system, bimodal system and trimodal system. So in unimodal system, we have one mode in the entire data set. In this case, we have value 3, 4, 5, 3 times, 6 times, 6 value have 2 times, 7, 8, 8 and 9. So in this case, the most frequently occurring element is 5. That means this system has one mode and it is referred to as unimodal system. In next case, we can see that there are two elements 5 and 6 which are occurring with the same number of frequency. So we have two modes here and it is referred to as bimodal system. In this particular data set, you can see that all elements are distinct and no one is repeating itself. So in this system, we don't have any mode. In trimodal system, we have three modes, and in multimodal system, the dataset can have more than one mode. It can be bimodal, it can be trimodal. So what are the practical uses of central tendency? So it is used to see the spread of the data around the center of a data set. Secondly, in case you are working in Python and you have to replace your missing values in the data set, then you can use either of the central tendency, either median or mode or mean, to replace your missing values. Next, it showcases the performance of a particular item in their data set. And basically, it is used to study the salary spread across the company as well. So, central tendency is being widely used across n number of applications in our daily life, whether we are knowing it or we don't know it. So, next next type of descriptive statistics is measure of spread. So, please stay tuned to my channel for this discussion. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel. And for the training in the Python, machine learning, data science, Tableau or Power BI, do contact on the following email address or on the numbers below. Thank you all.